taking a cat nap, son. What's on your mind?
Father, I wish to ask you a question.
Question?
Yes, sir. How would a fellow go about getting a transfer out of this chicken chintzy outfit?
What? Why, son, you never had it so good. A plushy home, our meals served on a silver platter by the mistress's own butler, nothing to do all day but purr and meow and eat and sleep. Son, we've got it soft.
That's just what all the cats around here are saying about you, Father. That soft living has ruined a once great mouther.
Oh, they are they?
Yes, they are they? And the shame of it is more than one of my tender years can face.
Oh, stuff and nonsense. I'll show them just how much easy living has ruined this once great mouther. Sonny boy, you and I are going mouse hunting. The first test of a good mouse hunter is knowing where to look for his quarry. The best place is some big old run-down mouse-infested house. And I know just the place, down by the railroad tracks. Here we are, son. Just what the doctor ordered. Obviously unoccupied. We'll just walk right in. Keep very quiet now, son. We're entering mouse territory.
Father, where are they, Father? Where are all the mice, Father?
Shh. Don't be impatient, son. I'll soon ferret them out. Scientifically. Quiet now.